So here we are in the plaza on the 8th day of Chanukah. This is our beautiful Ice Menorah that was rebuilt after it was thrown down. It's still standing here ready for 5 days. Beautiful. And over here we have our chili menorah, giant chili menorah, a 10-foot chili menorah that's been kindled every night. Beautiful celebrations, 8 nights of celebrations. And now we are on the 8th day of Chanukah. No more lighting of the candles physically, but now is a good time to think about the spiritual meaning of the Chanukah and how we're going to take it into everyday life after we have all these 8 days of Chanukah. Today is called Zot Chanukah. This is Chanukah. We read in the Torah about the inauguration of a temple, and over there the Torah says Zot Chanukah HaMizbeach. This is the culmination of it all. So what have you learned this Chanukah? What have you experienced this Chanukah? What are we taking with us to the cold and dark days of the winter until next Chanukah? For us, it was an amazing Chanukah. We had beautiful celebrations here every night, especially Sunday, a big celebration. It was most moving when Gerhard Mashkowski, 99-year-old Holocaust survivor, kindled the new rebuilt menorah. What a wonderful, wonderful inspiration. What a wonderful message of rebuilding and resilience. Chanukah symbolizes, the lights of the menorah symbolizes the Torah and mitzvot. Ki ner mitzvah v'torah or. The lamp, mitzvah is like a lamp and Torah is like a light. Every day we could do another mitzvah. Every day we could be more light into the world. Every day we could make the darkness go away by bringing in more light. Think about it. Take a moment, the last few moments of Chanukah. Maybe eat another latke, give some charity. Think about what Chanukah means to you. I'd love to hear. Chag Sameach and Shabbat Shalom. I hope you join us tomorrow for the continued celebration of Jewish life in Santa Fe.